Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes mini, full guide. Start by gathering simple ingredients and measuring accurately, then mix a slightly thicker batter than usual. Heat a non-stick pan and use a small scoop or piping bag to shape tiny rounds. Cook on medium heat until edges set, flip briefly, and finish with your favorite toppings. I'll share tips for texture and storage so you can enjoy them anytime. Gather flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, egg, and a fat like butter or oil. Whisk dry ingredients, then whisk wet ingredients in a separate bowl until combined. Fold wet into dry until just mixed. A few small lumps are fine to keep pancakes tender. For perfectly sized minis, use a teaspoon or small cookie scoop to portion batter. Resting batter briefly improves texture and helps pancakes puff up when cooked. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading cookbooks and recipes anywhere cozy and simple, whether at the breakfast table or by the park. It's lightweight and has a sharp display that handles kitchen splatters better than paperback pages. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and test with a drop of batter before portioning. Use a steady hand and drop batter evenly to form consistent mini circles about 2 inches wide. Watch for tiny bubbles across the surface before flipping, then cook briefly until golden. Avoid pressing down with the spatula to retain fluffiness. Serve immediately or keep warm in a low oven while you finish cooking the rest for a perfect stack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.